How to download Geometry Dash on PC. For this, you'll be needing an external application called BlueStack, which is easily available in your PC in your Windows version. You just have to search for bluestack.com and you will find two versions right here, BlueStack 10 and 5. I have BlueStack 5 and this is how it looks. So it is like a Google Play Store but for your PC. Now to install the Geometry Dash, in the search bar you have to go ahead and search for Geometry Dash right here and wait for its suggestions. As you can see, there are a lot of suggestions, so go ahead and select the one that you prefer. For an example, I'll be selecting Geometry Dash, the original one, and just double click on it and wait for it to load. Now, as you can see, there is a bubble called Install via Google Play. All you have to do is you have to tap on this bubble right here and wait for your application and game to be installed. And mind it, it's gonna take a while for it to be installed because for PC, the game downloading is much slower than your Android or iPhone. So make sure to give it a try and thank you so much for watching.